Hi guys, today we are going to see about heart rate monitoring system for sports people. This is a student's project developed by one of our trained student. This project consists of a PIC microcontroller, heartbeat sensor, and a wireless communication device called Zigbee, and indicators interconnected with some power supply. So basically this project will be useful for sport persons. The sports person's pulse monitoring is very important because the sports person's pulse randomly change. So in this project we are going to fix a threshold level, and we are going to set up a alert system using some software kind of thing. So whenever the threshold level reaches, our system will inform to a specific person about the health condition of the particular sports person. Here in the video we are seeing that a software application where all the input data will be stored in a database. So a sports authority, for example trainer or whoever it may be, can log in and check what is the live pulse rate, and also they can check the history of the particular person. Is a live pulse rate. Also the abnormality of the sports person will be intimated through SMS.